And a top of the morning to you, everybody. We have got a little bit of a different day than we ended up last week. On Friday, it was cool and dry and still pretty windy. Well, we've still got the winds, but it's not cool and dry. We've got southerly winds pumping in Gulf moisture from the coast, and so things are a lot warmer and more humid. Check out current temperatures. 71 down in Cameron, also in Hearn. At 71 in Waco, it's 69 in Meridian and Hamilton, 66 out in Comanche, and 68 the current temperature in Llano. Now, there are a few showers and thunderstorms down toward the I-10 corridor. They're passing south of central Texas and moving over toward Houston and southeast Texas. Other thunderstorms located over the lower Mississippi Valley and some over northeastern Oklahoma, along with a cold front up there. Here's the state satellite view, and I've got the jet stream drawn in because it's dipped down over the western United States with a big new trough of low pressure in the upper levels over the western U.S., producing a new winter storm up in the northwestern U.S. But what this jet stream is doing for us is bringing weak disturbances across from the west. One such disturbance helping produce these storms to our south right now. Another one could trigger some that'll move into our area later on this afternoon. A few storms could develop ahead of the dry line and moving in toward Waco and Temple and Dallas and Fort Worth late this afternoon. This cold front, by the way, is going to be stalling once it crosses the Red River. Moving back to the north is a warm front. We're going to have to wait until Wednesday for another cold front to develop and move across the area, and that front will be followed by somewhat cooler and drier air for us. Right now, though, we're looking at the computer forecast starting out at 6 o'clock this morning. Mostly cloudy skies across central Texas. Clouds will break some, and we'll see a mixture of clouds and sun during the afternoon, partly sunny, but also some of those storms could develop just ahead of the dry line, moving in by late afternoon around 5:30. They'll move on off to the east, and I think the threat will only last for a little while, late afternoon and early evening. Clouds will fill back in overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow should be a good bit cloudier, but still some sun in the afternoon, and any sun will heat the atmosphere up to produce even stronger storms tomorrow. There could be an enhanced risk of severe weather for our area tomorrow, and by around 4 o'clock, these storms are already developing and moving into not only the Metroplex and our area, but southward to Austin, San Antonio, and then eastward into the Bryan College Station area by early evening. This is a threat more for tornadoes coming up tomorrow afternoon and evening. For today, the threat is mainly large hail or damaging winds. And for your central Texas planner, looking at mostly cloudy skies to start the day, but then partly sunny, a slight chance of those isolated thunderstorms late in the afternoon, and then partly cloudy skies late evening. For the Brazos Valley, much the same with a chance of a few showers or thunderstorms late afternoon and evening. Otherwise, warmer and more humid with high temperatures in the mid-80s. We'll have another look at the forecast coming up.